Good morning, class. Today our topic is intersection of three sets. Like union, the intersection is also a binary operation which is performed between two sets. Therefore, to find the intersection of three sets A intersection B intersection C, we shall proceed as number 1 bracket A intersection B bracket close intersection C. In this way, first find A intersection B, then the intersection of resulting with C. Number 2 A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. In this way, first find the intersection of B and C, then the intersection of resulting with A. Dear class, by this method you can find the intersection of any three sets. Now I will explain this method by the following example. If A is equal 0, 1, 3, B is equal 0 to 4, C is equal 0 to 3, 5, then find number 1 bracket A intersection B bracket close intersection C. Number 2 A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. Number 3 verify bracket A intersection B bracket close intersection C is equal A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. Dear class, in this question there are three sets are given, set A, set B and set C, and these three things we have to find in this question. So first we will find its first part, that is equal to A intersection B bracket close intersection C. So according to the method, first find the intersection of A and B, then the intersection of resulting with C. So A intersection B is equal to member of the set A intersection sign, member of the set B. So the intersection of resulting is equal to 0. Now in the third step, we will find the intersection of resulting with C, that is equal to member of the set A intersection B intersection sign, member of the set C. So the final answer of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 0. Now we will solve its second part, A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. So according to the method, first find B intersection C, then the intersection of resulting with A. So B intersection C is equal to 0 to 4 intersection sign, member of the set C. So the intersection of resulting is equal to 0 and 2, because only the two members are common between set B and C. In the third step, we will solve intersection of resulting with A, that is equal to member of the set A intersection sign, member of the set B intersection C. So in the final step, that is the intersection of all the three sets is equal to 0. So dear class, this is the complete solution to find the intersection of A, B and C. Now in the third step, to verify bracket A intersection B bracket close intersection C is equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. To solve this statement, you should have a knowledge about some important point about left hand side and right hand side. So the left hand side of this statement is this one, and the right hand side of this statement is this one. After complete solution of the left hand side and the right hand side, the answer should be equal. If the answers of the both sides are not coming equal, it means in your question you should have some mistakes. First we will find the solution of the left hand side that I have already explained in the previous slide. So the final answer of the left hand side is 0 that I am representing by the equation number 1. Now we will solve its right hand side, that is equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close. The solution of this statement I have already explained in the previous slide. So the final answer of this statement is 0 that I am representing by equation number 2. Now if you compare both the equations, their answers are same. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So class, this is your homework to solve the following sums in your maths notebook. Okay class, and thanks you.